Welcome to Dyson Vacuum Spares. Today I'm going to show you how to install the battery assembly into a DC58, DC59, DC61 and DC62. Now here we have the main body. It's pretty straightforward. Basically this is the battery. Now it installs into here like this, and with the battery you will get some screws that will be in the box, and they will also come with an instruction manual which is here, and these are the screws. Basically they've given you one extra as a spare, but basically all you have to do is take one of these screws out and stick it in this hole here, the top one, and just screw it in, and job done. That's how to install a battery on a Dyson DC58, DC59, DC61 and DC62 cordless vacuum. Please visit our store at www.dysonvacuumspares.co.uk. Thanks for watching.